Assalamualaikum. I bid to my parents, Dr. Aliza binti Cik Amran, and also Puan Siti Nur Sohaila binti Mirin. My name is Nur Shakina binti Abdullah, and today I would like to present my final year project, which is GUI for data capturing using speech synthesis. First of all, I would like to say thank you to my supervisor, Encik Ahmad Idil bin Abdul Rahman, for giving me this opportunity to do this project, and also for helping me to complete this project. So, let's proceed with my poster presentation. For the first of all, GUI's data is also known as a graphical user interface, or UIs. It is a software application that uses a point and click control method. In order to run this application, it has to eliminate that needs to learn a language type or a command. MATLAB application that contains MATLAB program with a GUI that helps the software to do a calculation and task automatically. Menus, toolbars, buttons, sliders are the components included in a GUI. Mostly the MATLAB products include apps with a custom user interface such as Curve Signal Processing Toolbox, Fitting Toolbox, and Control System Toolbox. The importance of developing our own apps, including the UIs, can help the others for them to use. So the objective of this project is to be able to transform from text from the Excel file and simulate it to voice or speech. For second objective is perform a design of system using GUI data in MATLAB as to keep all the data transferred. For the third objective, it is to gain information from the Excel file without reading all the data. And the fourth objective is perform specific MATLAB coding to achieve the requirement needed by the user. Next is the problem statement. Okay, the lecturers or the teachers always handle with a lot of data regarding the students, especially their personal information, examination mark, and others. They tend to save every data in the Excel file or any other places in order to make them easy to search it back. A lot of data about the student can cause confusion and cause misleading some information about them. When they need to refer back the data, sometimes all the data is not sorted accordingly. And difficult for them to find the exact data they want. This is the reason why the need of this system that can help them finding a data by entering name or data they need. So the methodology for this project is before the process is started, push the start button to start the program. The Excel file will be connected with the MATLAB, and there will a coding for every button in the figure. Okay, there has been a 3 option button depending on the need of the user. They can enter the student's name if they want to know only the data such as marks of the student. So they need to enter the name of the student, and the marks of the student will appear after that. Then the second button is it can read all the data from the top to the bottom of the Excel file. Okay, and the third button is read only button, where it can read the specific number of data, such as if we enter number 2, it can read the data from the row number 2. So all the program in the MATLAB has been set in order for the data to be read. All the output will come out with the voice output. The data also will be displayed in the box provided. So for the result and analysis, after the radio button is turned on, the push button will start to display after we push the radio button, the push button start must be pushed in order to get ready to enter all the data. The string insert for the coding of push button start is a least marks of 3 omega. That means the system is ready to 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 show the result. So for the third button is a read Excel file. If we push the read Excel file, it will call all the data in the Excel file. So for the first button is a read all data button. It will read all the data in the Excel file from 1st to the 13 data, because we have a 30 data in the Excel file. So the next button is read only. Just now I mentioned if we put it as number 2, it will read the second row of the Excel file data. So the third button is student name, where we can put all the name of the student and their marks will appear after that. So lastly, for the conclusion, MATLAB is a convenient platform for the development and management of text-to-speech. All the data displayed on the screen has been giving the output in the speech form. Even though it can only read English name, but improvement can be done. Besides that, in MATLAB GUI, a design of the system to help the lecturers and teachers to read all the data about the students, can save their time and can avoid them from confusing finding their student's name. This system also can help someone who multitasking. They can only hear all the data without need to read all the data. Explore more about MATLAB can help to ease works, as it was convenient software that helps us to gain the data. So that's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears, and that's all. Thank you. Okay, for the simulation part, first thing first, I would like to open this MATLAB R2020B. This is the new version for the MATLAB. Okay, first, type guide. Sorry, small letter guide. Okay, then the file that we save for this project, open it. Okay, this is my figure for the GUI data. So this is the figure, and the other one is the M file. M file showing the coding of this project. So just call back the function. Okay, this is my coding. So first we have the radio button. Radio button is function to hear the voice output from this system. And then the push button, as it is to get ready to read the information. Okay, then next, read Excel file. Read Excel file is to read all the data in the Excel file. Okay, then okay, let's run this simulation. Okay, press radio button. Then we press the push button and the least marks of 3 omega will appear. And then we click the read Excel file, as it call the file that we save, the data. So first there is a button read all data where it read all the data in the Excel file. So this is my data. This is the name list of the students in 3 Omega, the name of the student and also their examination mark. So when I click the read all data button, it will read
Alan.
all the data.
74. Alex. 70. Arthur. 65. Austin. 60. Bob. 64.
Okay, then it will read
Bobby.
until the last data, Hannah with the marks of 67. So we proceed with the second button, which is read only. Read only, it will read the specific data that we want. For example, if I put it number 13, it will read for the Tomlinson, the name of the student Tomlinson, and also his mark 70. So we run this program and then we choose 13, push the button read only,
Tomlinson.
with the marks of
70.
70. Okay, then next we have the student's name button. We put the name of the student here and their marks will appear after that. So this is the uses of this button is we can find the marks of the student without searching one by one. Okay, so for example, I put the name of Adam. Adam. So Adam with the marks of
54.
So we see in the Excel file, Adam is have a mark of 54. So for the clear command window is for to clear all the command in this command window. So when I click the clear command window, the data in the screen will be cleared. And also for the close button here, it is function to close all the program for the GUI data. So that's all from me, and thank you very much.